Hello, today I'm going to test these 3 brands of flour to see which one is best for Khao Piak noodles. Please subscribe, like and share. The first brand here is the Erawan, or I called it the elephant brand. It's from Thailand and costs 99 cents each. The second flour here is the red meal brand. It's made in the US and costs $3.99 each. Both the rice and tapioca flour here are high in potassium comparing to the brands from Thailand. The third brand here is also made in Thailand. It's the Jade Leaf brand and costs $1.29 each. I used the same measurement and kneading technique for all 3 brands. If you need measurement details, after watching this video, go watch my previous Khao Piak noodle recipe. This is the red meal flour. It's easy to roll to noodle sheet, but the sheet breaks when I fold it. I don't think I can make any Khao Piak noodles from this. This is the elephant brand. I can make noodles, but they don't seem to hold together well. Half of the noodles break when I pick them up. If you use this rice flour brand, try to use the 14-ounce tapioca starch. That mixture of less tapioca starch is better. The noodles are less fragile. Of all 3 brands, the Jade Leaf brand is the better flour for Khao Piak noodles. The noodles are beautiful and don't break easily. This brand is new to me. I bought it to try during the COVID-19 pandemic when the elephant brand was out. It should be available at most Asian supermarkets. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.